Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne, first generation, guys, from 2002 to 2010. Now, if your heater, air conditioning, fan blower motor doesn't work, guys, that's the one that when you turn it up, the fan from the vents, it doesn't work. We'll show you guys which fuses to check. You may have two fuses, one for the front, one for the rear, depending on the package, guys. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car, so please check out the channel. Our goal is, guys, to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. All electrical videos will be on this channel, mechanical videos will be on our main channels, World Mechanics, and the second channel, Auto Repair, guys. Please check them out. Now, I'm talking about the blower motor. Okay, let me show you quick. Okay, for these ones, okay, right here. If it doesn't work, we'll show you what needs to be done. You have this cover here that you need to remove. You have 5 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we need to check fuses number 56 and 57. Okay, 56 is for the front blower motor, 57 is for the rear one, guys. We don't have one. So check this one and this one as well. You can usually see if this one is burned, but you can always test them as well. So if you guys have problems, always do those. Now, grabbing this thing, okay, you just pull it out like that, not very complicated, but that's how you guys remove it. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.